Sorry, it's going to probably happen a lot. To explain what I would have taught you on Zoom if you had been there. Just to let you know, if you complete the Google form, you will get bonus. Okay? So to complete the Google form, you must look at this and work all these out on your own sheet of paper and then put your answers into the Google form. So I'm going to be doing a couple of examples with you. So all of what we are doing today, the 10th, is we're discussing just the one theorem, the triangle exterior angles theorem. And that theorem told us that the exterior angle, remember exterior means outside, is equal to the interior across from it added. Okay, so for example, outside of our triangle here in number 1, we have angle 155. Okay, and the two angles inside that are not touching it are right here. So we would say, okay, 155 is equal to question mark plus 40. Well, how do we solve for our unknown angle measure? Well, we would subtract 40 from both sides. Take your calculator, friendly little machine. We go 155 minus 40, and we get 115. Now, on the Google form, when you type your answer, type in the number 115. That's all you got to type in, okay? All right, let's do number 2 as well. So, the outside angle, who's outside our triangle this time, is question mark. And the inside angles that don't touch the question mark are 65 and 38. Now remember, our formula tells us the outside angle is equal to the inside that don't touch it added together. So 65 plus 38. Again, use the machine to help you. So we're going to do 65 plus 38. And we get 103. Okay? You have 10 questions like that. I've done 2 of them for you. Okay, one more example. So that's if we want to find the unknown angle measure. Sometimes, of course, algebra gets thrown in there. But the same rule applies. Outside our triangle here in number 11 is number 118. And then our 2 angles that don't touch it, write and say 118 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7x plus 11. And then it's all algebra from there. So let's go ahead and handle that. Let's do our variables over here and our constants over here. So our variables, let's see, we have a 3x and a 7x, and they both need to move over here. So I've moved them. We have a negative 3, a positive 11, and we need to move the 118. So, okay, let's use our handy dandy calculator. So we're going to say negative 3 minus 7. So I get negative 10x over here. Negative 3 plus 11 minus 118. I get negative 110. Now I'm going to go over that one more time, just in case I move too fast. All right. Okay, computer, I know. Calm down. Okay, so if we put all of our variables, these are everything that has x on this side of our line, and we put all of our constants on this side of the line. We always draw the line through the equal sign. So for 3x to move over here, it's a positive 3x. If you go through the wall, it turns opposite, so negative 3x. Okay, we have a positive 7x that needed to move over here. So for it to go through the wall, it turned into a negative 7x. Now remember, whenever you're combining like terms with variables, all you're doing is combining the numbers in the front. So we did negative 3 minus 7, and we got negative 10x. Over here on our constant side, negative 3 was already over here, so I just dropped it down. Positive 11 was already over here, so I just dropped it down. Positive 118 needed to move through the wall, so it turned opposite. Plugged it in my calculator, got negative 110. Now, question is, are we done? Well, we're not. X isn't by itself. It's got a negative 10 in front of it, so we get rid of that using division. And you divide by whatever number is in front of the variable. So we're going to divide by negative 10 on both sides. Please use your calculator. So we're going to say negative 110 divided by negative 10, and we get our answer is 11. Again, on the Google form, just type in 11 as your answer. All right. Now, sometimes you might have x's on both sides. Just be prepared for that, as in variables and constants situation. Complete this if you like. Put it in the Google form, and you will get bonus points. Hopefully next week I'll see you on one of my Zoom sessions. Bye, y'all. Have a wonderful weekend.